The 2027 Ford Project T3 is here, and it's redefining the future of electric trucks. Welcome to Smooth Auto Vibes, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Ford has been a leader in the pickup truck market for decades, and the Project T3 takes that legacy into the EV era. Designed to combine cutting-edge technology with rugged utility, this truck is all about delivering performance, efficiency, and versatility. Ford has dubbed the Project T3 the truck of tomorrow, focusing on three core pillars: technology, trust, and timeless design. Under the hood, it boasts Ford's next-gen electric powertrain, promising impressive range, rapid charging capabilities, and a towing capacity that rivals traditional gas-powered trucks. The truck is built on a new platform, designed from the ground up to accommodate advanced electric systems while maintaining the durability Ford trucks are known for. What makes the T3 stand out is its emphasis on smart features. It comes equipped with over-the-air updates, allowing Ford to continually enhance the truck's performance and add new features even after you've driven it off the lot. Inside, you'll find a tech-forward cabin with a massive touchscreen interface, voice-controlled AI, and customizable driving modes tailored for every terrain and task. The exterior design balances bold, futuristic aesthetics with the ruggedness you'd expect from a Ford truck. LED lighting, aerodynamic contours, and durable materials make it both stylish and functional. Whether you're using it for work or adventure, the T3 is built to adapt to your needs. Ford's commitment to sustainability also shines through, with a focus on recyclable materials and eco-friendly manufacturing processes. Stay tuned to Smooth Auto Vibes for more updates on the 2027 Ford Project T3 and other exciting vehicles shaping the future of the automotive world.